Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on the busiest road in Jamaica. This is Mandela Highway. It's a 6-lane superhighway in Jamaica. This could be one of the nicest roads, if not the nicest road in Jamaica. Now, Mandela Highway is a main road that takes you into and out of the city of Kingston. The city of Kingston has almost half the population in Jamaica. And one of the busiest routes, which is where we're driving today, is from the city of Kingston to Portmore. That is where you will find probably half the population of Jamaica. So this route is very busy. During peak hour, it's bumper to bumper traffic on these lanes. So today we're driving from the city of Kingston into Portmore. Now there's another route you can take, but that is a toll road and it's very expensive. You have to pay toll to use that road. And the government wants to build an overpass from this road, Mandela Highway. It will be somewhere out here that takes the overpass from here to Portmore to help with the traffic that goes into Portmore. But Trans Jamaica Highway, the toll operator, says if you build that road, they are going to take them to court. So I'm not sure if that road is still going to be built. So in the interim, this is the route you take. Now, the left lane, if you take that road, it takes you on to Highway 2000 east-west leg, and that takes you to Old Harbour, Maypen, Mandeville. It takes you on the south coast of Jamaica. And that road will take you from here, Mandela Highway, to Ocho to Montego Bay, eventually one day when it's finished, and also to Negril. Alright, so we're not going on the highway, but we have lots of videos up of driving on the highway. We're going to actually turn left here and go into Portmore. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.